Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you new style of 3D concept art with using Octane render. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Plane size I take 2000 and height same 2000, right? And now guys, I create material for this plane. So create new material and open this material. So guys, double click on this material. Yeah, guys, go to node editor. Yes, guys, I apply some texture, mountain texture. I show you. See guys, that's my mountain texture. You can download this texture from my website. It's free. So select all 4 texture, drag and drop in node editor. So guys, apply one by one. Guys, that's my normal map and connect with here. This one, yeah, and second one, guys, increase size, that's my height, so connect with bump map, yeah, and third one, that's my depth, that's my displacement map, so use displacement and connect with input, and this input connect with here, displacement map. And guys, select this input and level of detail I take full and amount I take 300 centimeter. Right. And guys, this one, that's my ambient occlusion, so you can connect with roughness, right? Okay, so now guys, I create gradient effect. So type gradient, select this gradient, not this one, yeah, select this one, and guys, change color. Guys, take blue color, blue, yeah, right, and press OK. Guys, go to second one, and guys, this time I apply purple color like this, and go to little bit back, yeah. See guys, that's my purple color, and this color apply on diffuse, this one, right? So guys, this one, yeah, so close. Yes, guys, actually change material type. I use glossy. Yeah, I like glossy. So close this material and apply on plane. Yes, and guys, go to Octane and use live viewer window. Select this window, drag and drop on left side and render. Yes, see guys, that's my simple, right? And set camera angle like this. I like this one. And guys, go to render setting and take 1000 and 1000 and standard to use Octane. Yeah, and guys, save this project, go to desktop and create name, yeah, and again render preview, yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I create some object. So I take sphere and up, go on here like this, and sphere radius I take 50 centimeter and segments 50, yeah, and guys, set angle little bit closer, yeah. And second one, guys, I take cube and cube size, guys, I take 20, 20 and 20, yes, and fillet check, guys, I take camera, yeah, and camera uncheck and closer. Guys, that's my cube, and fillet radius I take like 0.5. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, go to camera, and guys, after that I take cloner, select this pair. So guys, select this cube and make child with cloner. Yes, guys, select this cloner and mode to take object, and this pair drag and drop in object. Yes, and now guys, I take random effector tool, random, this one. Yes, that's my shape, and scale size, guys, position is good. Scale size randomly change like 5, and y axis I take like 10, and Z1 I take like 15. Yes, right? Okay, so go to here and effector, guys, mode, I take this one. Yeah, I like this one. And you can change seed like this. Yes. Yeah, I like this one, right? And guys, now you can change also position like this. Yeah. And guys, go to up, select all shape and alt G group. And guys, center axis, so go to mesh, axis center and check all. Yes, right? That's good. So go to back. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, go to here, cloner, and select this cube and copy. So holding control key, drag and drop, simple, and only change this scale size like 10, 15 and 10 randomly, right? Okay, so guys, now one more time copy this cube and change one more time like 15, 20 and 15. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, increase like this. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so now guys, select this null object and go on here. Yes, and guys, after that I create material for this null object, this shape, and go to here. Guys, I create glass color, actually glass material, and so use specular, and guys, roughness increase like 0.1. Yeah, and this one actually 0.1. Yeah, and guys, go to index and change some. Guys, I take this number 1.517. Yes, and apply on this first one, actually second one. Yeah, and guys, create new material. So this one, emission and black body emission. Guys, surface brightness check and go to texture. Guys, use RGB spectrum and color. I take orange color, orange like this. And guys, power I take like 50, half. Yeah, and apply on third one like this, right? Actually first one. Yes, much better. And guys, select the scale size, actually cube, and guys, scale size change like this. Yes, better, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply some 3D character model like astronaut. I have 3D character model. So go to back and guys, go to character. That's my 3D character model. Yeah, right, this one, and set this angle. Go on here and rotate this 3D character model like 180. Yes, and go to back. Yeah, and guys, go to up like this. Yeah, see guys, that's my character. And guys, little bit smaller, so select scale size and make smaller like this and more. Yes, yeah, see guys, that's really good. And go to back like this. And guys, now select this 3D character model and copy. Guys, I apply a second one. Yes, and rotate like this. and change guys position. Yeah, you see guys, that's my composition. Yes, see guys, that's really good. Okay, so now guys, third one, you can apply this one material. Guys, that's my simple material like silver. Yeah, and guys, select this null object and copy. So press Ctrl C and V and go to up, go to back. That's my second shape. Yes, and again copy and go to back, up. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my composition. And again render preview. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now I change this colorful material. So select this glow material and copy and change material color. Guys, this time I take blue color. Yeah, and third one, guys, I create red color. So again copy this color. So open and I take red color. Yes, guys, apply one by one. Apply, and this one also, this one, null object. Yeah, yes, right. Okay, so guys, now my composition is finished. Guys, I go to here and Octane camera setting. Guys, go to post processing and enable check. Guys, bloom power I take 10. Yes, and camera imager check. And guys, saturation to white I take 0.1. Yeah, much better, right? So guys, actually guys, I also use area light, this one. Yeah, and that's my light. So apply on side, go on here and rotate this light like this, right? Okay, so guys, go to up and go to up. Yeah, and guys, I change light color. So go to same texture, RGB spectrum, and guys, color I take red. Yeah, so guys, go to power I take like half, 50. Yes, and now guys, I take HDR environment. So environment power I take 0. I take black color. Yes, see guys, that's really good composition. And guys, also go to medium. Guys, I create fog effect. So press add fog and click. Guys, density I take 0.1. Yes, right. See guys, okay, also guys, I create one more light. So select this area light, this one, and copy. Guys, that's my side light and angle like 90 degree, and go to on here. That's my right side. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. Now guys, go to here, setting, and guys, direct lighting. So max amp I take like 4000 and specular 6 and diffuse 4, glossy I take 5. Yeah, so close. Yes, and save this project. And see guys, that's render take little bit time. For stop and render. Yeah, and use all GPU check. That's it. So guys, click on here, render. Guys, this render take little bit time. So guys, that's my final render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.